Let's begin with a simple question. The speed of light is approximately 110 kilometers per second. That means light from Earth takes about 1.3 seconds to reach the moon. Now, imagine a spacecraft so fast it can also reach the moon in 1.3 seconds. What happens then? If that spacecraft leaves Earth at the same time as the light, it would arrive at the moon together with the light. Same speed, same time. This isn't just fantasy. This is a thought experiment. A thought experiment allows us to simulate situations that can't easily be tested in reality, but are logically coherent and grounded in physical reasoning. But mainstream physics, particularly those who follow Einstein's theory of relativity, quickly reject this. They say, a spacecraft can never travel at the speed of light. Anything with mass can't reach light speed. Therefore, your thought experiment is invalid. In other words, they only allow thought experiments that stay within the boundaries of their theory. That's not science. That's dogma. They accept their own thought experiments, like the twin paradox, the light clock, and time dilation on fast-moving spaceships, all built on untestable scenarios. But the moment we present a scenario that challenges the theory, they shut it down. But the purpose of a thought experiment isn't to obey theory. It's to test whether the theory holds up when challenged. Now let's look at reality. We do observe differences in speed across the universe. Distant galaxies are receding from us, some at speeds near or even exceeding the speed of light, based on redshift data. Mainstream physicists don't deny this, but they respond with a convenient excuse. That's not velocity, it's space itself expanding. But let's be honest. When we measure distance over time and divide, what do we get? Speed. If something is receding and the numbers tell us it's faster than light, then calling it space expansion is just wordplay. We're observing things moving away. We're measuring the difference in speed. And some galaxies appear to be receding faster than light. That alone should already tell us that the theory of relativity is struggling to explain reality. But instead of revising the theory, they bend space, twist time, and change definitions, all to protect the theory. Then they say, your thought experiment is invalid. It's physically impossible. No. Thought experiments must be grounded in reality, and theories must be subject to thought experiments. If a thought experiment conflicts with a theory, we must question the theory, not discard the thought experiment. Right now, at this very moment, we observe faster-than-light estimates. We observe measurable speed differences. We feel the growing gap between theory and reality. And yet they say, the theory is perfect. If a theory refuses to change in the face of reality, it stops being science. Thought experiments must remain free. They are tools to discover new truths based on the real world. If we shut down any thought that threatens a theory, we are no longer seeking truth. Science must be humble before reality. And thought experiments are where that humility begins.